Hi guys, this is Mr. Partita again. This will be our third math lesson for this week, and hopefully getting you prepared for our math test, which is on Friday. So this lesson we're going to be talking about numbers on a number line. Okay, so we want to know what the pattern is. Are we adding by one? Are we adding by 10? Are we adding by fives or by twos? So let's look at the first number line. I go from 28 to 29. How do I get from 28 to 29, you say? Well, obviously, I would have to add one more here, right? Okay. So my pattern is from 28 to 29, I added 1. So then if I add 1 to 29, that's right, I get 30. Okay. So the pattern is adding by 1. That's the pattern. Adding by 1. Okay, so then obviously 30 plus one more would be 31, and this would be correct. 31 plus one more would be 32, and then 32 plus one more would be, I'll let you fill that one out. Okay, obviously 33. Okay, but not all lines are like that. Let's see, look at the next line. Okay, now I have 77, I have 81 and 82. Well, from here, I could figure out, well, how do I get from 81 to 82? What did I do? Yes, you're right. Again, I added 1 again. Okay, so go ahead and fill those out. Same thing for 61, 62, and 63. What's the pattern? Okay. How do I know what's the pattern? Well, take 62 minus 61. Okay, or if I start at 61, okay, how many do I need to add in order to get to 62? In this case, again, I add 1. So go ahead and fill these out for these number lines where I'm just adding 1. How about this one? How do I get from 38 to 39? That's right. I added 1 again. Okay. And here, how do I know I get the pattern? Well, it looks I need to get from 14 to 19. Well, if I went from 14, the next number would be, you're right, that's 15. And then continue the pattern. Sorry. Continue the pattern all the way to get to 19. Okay. So then now, here, it says write the missing numbers for each number line pattern. Then write the pattern. Well, how do I get from 33 to 38? Not counting by 1, that's for sure, because after 33 is 34. So what I need to do, I need to go ahead and take 38. I'm going to write it right here so I can see 38 minus 33. 8 minus 3 is, hopefully somebody said 5. You're right, that's 5. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. So how do I get from 38 to 30? How do I get from 33 to 38? I add 5. So 23 plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. So then 23, I started on the number line with 23. I add 5 more, I get 28. And then go ahead and complete the pattern for this number line. So the pattern, what do I do each time? I do what? I add 5 in this case. Okay. Oh, so again, the pattern was add by 5. So I would add by 5 right here. And answer this question right here. What is the pattern? The pattern is add by 5. And then you'll do the same thing for letter B. What's the pattern? How do I get from 31 to 34? What did I do? Okay. Then in this case, it looks like we're going from 22 to the next number, to the next number, to the next number. It looks like I'm going up, right? Okay. The numbers are getting bigger from left to right. So that means I'm adding. So what did I add by? Add by what? Okay. That would go here and then go ahead and fill the pattern as well. What's the letter C? Same thing. What's the pattern? How do I get from 120 to 127? Okay, again, from left to right, the numbers are getting bigger. That means that I add by, whatever that is, okay? I did one example for you at the top. Let me do an example for you. Whoops. Let me do an example for you right here, the last one, okay? Letter D. Okay, it looks, well, how do I get from 27 to 35? I'm going to subtract 35 minus 27. Okay, 5 minus 7, can I do that? No. I have to borrow from the 3, that makes it a 2. The one that I borrow goes next door. Instead of 5, I get 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. So, okay, so the difference between 27 and 35 is 8. So what is the pattern? And it looks from left to right, the numbers are getting bigger. So I need to add by 8. Okay, so 3 plus 8 more would be, okay, you're right, somebody probably said it already, 11. Okay, and then 11 plus 8 more would be, you're right, 19. Then 19 plus 8 more would be 27. 27 plus 8 more would be 35. And 35 plus 8 more would be 43. And 43 plus 8 more, well, 3 plus 8 is 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. Plus the 1 that I carry, 5. So 43 plus 8 more would be 51. And that's how you complete the pattern. Okay? All right. Enjoy filling those out. Okay? Good luck in your test on Friday.